Are you tired of struggling to find a reliable and profitable way to make money online? This is the right place for you guys. Are you from Nepal and want to make money online after school or college? I have great news for you guys. I have discovered a good and legit online earning app from which you can easily earn up to 500 to 5,000 in a day by playing different types of games such as Ludo, Free Fire, PUBG, etc. Just by giving 1 to 2 hours a day. Join today and unlock your earning potential. To know more about this app and how it works, please watch video till the end without skipping any part of this video. So let's start the video without any delay. Let's move to the mobile screen. To start, we have to create an account first. In order to create an account, you must go to the video description and follow my lead. You can simply go to description of video you just watched. You can find a link and just click on the link. Now, you will redirect to the website called Xtreme Battle. Simply just click on this link and slightly scroll up. You can see the option of download now. Click on the download button and install the application. This type of interface app will be visible after installation. Now all you have to do is open this app. After opening, click on the Create New Account option. To start the registration process, please enter your first name and last name. Next, add your desired username. Next, enter your phone number and select your country code. The reason for this is that it is located in 2 countries, India and Nepal. After entering your phone number, please provide your email address. Now, enter the referral code MK494255514 for an instant bonus. Great! Now set up your password and click on Sign Up Now. Congratulations! You have successfully registered your account. As a referral bonus, I have already earned 5 coins. Enjoy popular games like PUBG, Free Fire, Ludo, Snake and Ladder, and Carom King. Try the 1v1 challenge and check out the leaderboard on Ludo Comfun. You can view the rankings and see how many people have won thousands of rupees. 1 coin is equal to 1 rupees. Even if you're not in this region, you can still play and win. Play anywhere, anytime, even while walking or eating. Whether you're in the office or at home, Xtreme Battle is always with you. Here, you can join a tournaments match and play popular games like Free Fire and PUBG mobile game. Now, I will show you how to make money by playing the Ludo games. Just follow my lead step by step. All you need to do is just click on the 1 vs 1 challenge, then you can go to the Ludo Comfun option. To play a Ludo game, you need at least 10 rupees in your Xtreme Battle account. Let me show you how to deposit or add money to your account. You can transfer money offline using a QR code. Simply select the amount you want to transfer offline. If you want to add money, you can send it offline via QR code. Another option is to use your IME-Pay account. Now, let's add 10 rupees from my IME-Pay account. Simply just open an IME-Pay account and set up all your information. Then, check IME-Pay to confirm your payment request. After some time, the payment will be processed and you'll see a successful transaction of 10 rupees. As you can see, we have successfully added 10 rupees to the Xtreme Battle account. Now go to the Ludo option and select Create Contest to challenge your opponents. Then enter your gaming username. Now, select to continue without a password. Click on OK to create the contest. Once created, it will show that your contest has created successfully. If you win, you will receive 17 rupees instantly into your account. But if you lose, you will lose your initial 10 rupees money. Wait until other players join you or accept your challenge. Once they accept your challenge, you will receive a notification that your challenge has been accepted by your opponent. Once you notice this, you can simply click on the chat icon to start a chat with the person. Then download the Ludo Comfun app. To download the application, go to the Play Store and search for Ludo Comfun app. After that, download it. After downloading the Ludo app, simply open it and go to the Play with Friends option. Click on Create Room Code and you will see your room code, which is. Remember this code. And then click on it to continue. Then, go to My Contest and update your room code details. Then log into chat once your room code has been updated. Then the game starts automatically. Now I am going to show you by playing this game. Let us start the game and see how it goes. As you can see, I've already won the game. After winning, take a screenshot of your victory. Now, go back to the Xtreme Battle app. Then tap on the Ludo option. After that, select My Contest. You'll find 3 options below: Win, Lose, and Cancel. If you win, click Win and submit the screenshot results. If you lose, simply click the Lose button and submit your results. If the game hasn't started yet and your opponent takes a long time, you can cancel the game at any time. As you can see, the opponent I played against a few moments ago has already generated the lost results. And look, I have received 17 rupees in my account instantly. Earning money here is simple and hassle-free. You can easily withdraw your earnings through E-sewa, Khalti digital wallet, IME Pay account, or bank transfer within 24 hours. Another way to make money is to invite friends and earn money when they sign up using your link. Simply go to your account settings and find the Share App link option. Copy the link and share it with your friends to start earning together. So why wait? Start earning money now and enjoy the benefits of easy withdrawals. Join from today and unlock the potential to earn money effortlessly. Thank you for watching my video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more content. Don't forget to leave your comments and share this video with your friends. Stay tuned for exciting videos coming soon. Thank you.